everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Saraburi. We're probably about 3 hours north of Bangkok or so. And what we're going to do is we're going to go look at that right there. There's a humongous Buddha that's sitting up here on the hill, and I got my walking shoes, so we're going to climb some steps today. So first we got to get to the temple, and then we'll get up there and we'll look around. So let's see what we see today. But this is Wat Thep Phithak, and it's right here on the hillside. There's a Chinese temple over that away, and it just kind of sticks out whenever you go by on the main road. This is what you see. You see that humongous white Buddha up there. So we're going to jump on the bike and let's get up there. So it's a little bit of a haul here to the temple itself. It's really green, pretty country here. I don't know if there's a road. We'll find out if there's a road that goes up to the top when we get here. But whenever I come to a place like this, I like to climb the stairs. And they gotta do their pictures. Alright, so here is the temple. Alright, let's park and let's boogaloo up the steps. Okay, so here we are down at the bottom of the hill. So over there is the crematorium. We have monk quarters, we got the bell over here, and then we'll climb up there to that Buddha. And then we got little restaurants and lottery sales, so you can get some noodles here for 30 baht. And there's peacocks all around this temple. So we got this one over here, he's busy doing something. You can get some snacks, lottery sales. And then over here, it looks like they do like a Buddha retreat, because there's all kinds of like little huts and stuff, and then there's a hall over there. Everything in this temple I've seen is in Thai. But what a cool scene. So you can see people walking around the base of it way up there. And then they have a map of the area. It's all in Thai. Yeah, this is really nice. So they got the little paper lanterns, and over here they're selling like fresh fruit. Looks like some of the samo and avocados and stuff. It's a pretty nice little bell tower. And there is an ordination hall that's back behind over there, but it's locked up. And I couldn't find the road. I don't know if the road is further down. It's not anywhere that I saw inside the temple grounds. But we'll climb the steps anyway. That's what we wanted to do. This looks like they have the banyan tree here, and they got some chickens and some more peacocks. They got the moms with the little babies here. And then they have a little shrine and stuff like that over here. You have the lottery cells and some honey and amulets. And then this is the little hall here. So you can buy amulets and stuff inside of here and pray, make some merit. So it looks like the people have bought the little bells. They made the donations that way to the temple. So they'll write their name and stuff like that on them. And these peacocks. Oh, this one here looks kind of sick. All right, so that's the hall, but you can see the gates closed. And then more of the bells and stuff like that. So you can make donations here in the little alms bowls. This is the ordination hall. And that over there is the chetty. Doing a little bit of remodeling. So a little bit of the cloister. And then this really nice chetty. It'll be remodeled here in a little bit. See, it has the gold and the white. It's quite nice. And that just looks right here next to the ordination hall. The three-tiered roof with all the Bangkok styling. And the Buddhist stones out here. This is kind of cool. So they have the Buddha right here that's in the same pose as that one up on the hill. The only difference is this one here has the robe wrapped, and then it has the other figures around. Okay, so now it's time to tackle these stairs. Got a white squirrel here. I can see you, squirrel. You're not camouflaged at all. All right, so I'm not sure how many stairs there are. If you're a step counter, you'll be wanting to know. I'm just into going up. So they have a couple more figures or data plates here in Thai talking about things, but there will be lots and lots. So these are nice. These are like the forest temples. So in the old days, you had the city monks and the forest monks. And the forest monks would come out here and meditate and stuff like that. So we're up on the first platform here. They got some little shrines and stuff. And you can already see we're getting up above the temple. Go up these stairs, so we'll get a little bit of a sweat going here. So you can see the stairs are quite steep, and what's cool is you can see all the rocks, the vines, the trees, everything kind of growing here on this little ridge line. Yeah, this is quite pretty country. Oh, why does it have to be so high though? All right, so if this old man can make it up to the top, we'll be in good shape today. Oh, they're taking a break up here. We got a little shrine here. They've wrapped some of the trees and stuff. All right, so we're almost up. Yeah, and this is a fakie. I had to climb the steps, set up the camera. All right, so we're at the top. Woo, it's high. Okay, so this is the reason we climbed all of those stinking stairs. Oh, it's magnificent. Oh, and you have a little shrine here, and it's a nice breeze coming here. Looks like we got fire way over there. But you can see this countryside. It's rural. Looks like they got a quarry over there. Yeah, and way over there, that's the main road that goes all the way to Nakhon Ratchasima, and you can keep on going that way. And then going back, that will go towards Bangkok. So let's take a look at this shrine. So they have the elephants here, and they've left little donations and stuff. Burn the incense. Nice little reclining Buddha there. And some other people that made the stairs already. Yeah, coming up the stairs, I was talking to a couple nice ladies that are from this area. And they said they haven't been here in 10 years. So they came over today to make some merit. So I was actually hoping that there would be a little chamber up here that we could go in, but there's not, just this tall Buddha. So you can see the eyes are barely open and downcast, smiling just a little bit, and there's a beehive right there underneath his arm. His legs are crossed, and he's on this little lotus bud, or lotus flower pedestal. Yeah, nice enough. The view is the best part from up here. And I'll try to fly the drone and we'll see what it looks like by drone. It's pretty tall. I may be altitude restricted from up here. You can see it's just built into the granite. That explains why I couldn't find a road. So they had to haul everything up here. I'm sure they built like a little pulley system to bring heavy materials up. Ah, it's really cool. They got a little bell, And a little, like little lotus flower over there. That's the multicolors. And then they have some more of the bells and stuff. All right, so I guess we have seen everything up here. We've taken a little bit of a break. Let's see if these ladies are almost up here. I passed them way down below. I still don't see them. They must be taking a break. All right, it's a bit of a haul. I don't know how many stairs. And some other people have made it up here and they're gonna ring the bell. All right, so let's head back down the stairs. This was an enjoyable little climb. You can see the Chetty and the ordination hall and stuff over there. And then they have a old man monk over there. Yeah, really a nice place. That'll finish up a video over here at this temple. This is really a lot of fun. I really enjoy going and climbing up all of these stairs. It's hot and sweaty at the time, but it feels good after you get up there. The kind of, from my understanding, is like a lot of these temples and stuff are built up on the hills, because part of being like a Buddha and going to the temple is you go and you pray and make merit, but it shouldn't be easy. There should be a little bit of struggle involved. It's kind of the way of the middle path, I think. That's my understanding of it anyway. I might be wrong, but that's what I thought. Anyway, so we climbed up these steps, got to see this temple. It's a lot of fun. I would do it again. It's not too far away from Saraburi. So if you're up in this area, pull up here, climb up these steps and see the Buddha. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. This is the kind of videos that I do. I show you things that interest me, and this interested me today, so here we are. If this is the kind of content you like that's away from most of the touristy stuff, then you found the right place. I like to go to off-the-wall places. It's kind of fun. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you've been here or if you have any questions or whatever, let me know in a comment down below. And until next time, from over here in Saraburi, remember, life is a journey. Until next time. Enjoy.